Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using the Brave browser and want to earn rewards while browsing, yeah, Brave Rewards makes that possible. In this full guide, I'll show you how to enable and set it up step by step in 2026. First, open the Brave Rewards panel. You can click the bat icon in the address bar or open it from the main menu. Now toggle on Brave Rewards. This activates the system that lets you earn rewards by viewing privacy-respecting ads. Next, choose how many ads you want to see per hour. More ads means more rewards, but yeah, keep it at a level you're comfortable with. Brave ads are different. They appear as notifications, not inside websites, so your browsing stays clean and private. You can enable auto-contribute to support your favorite websites automatically. This uses your earned rewards. To withdraw rewards, you need to verify your wallet using a supported partner like Uphold or similar. You can track your earnings anytime in the rewards panel. Yeah, it shows how much BAT you've earned. Make sure notifications are enabled on your system. Without them, you won't receive Brave ads. To earn rewards, you need to actively use the browser. Ads won't appear if you're inactive. Finally, keep your browser updated. Updates improve rewards performance and fix issues. And that's it. Once set up, Brave Rewards lets you earn while browsing, without sacrificing your privacy.